Dear Nolan, I remember my life, my wife, my son, my home. I hear you've been telling my story, and apparently people have questions. So, before the story begins, allow me to clear up one small detail. If you're looking for my ship, it's in Troy, at the Troy Museum in Turkey. It took many hands to bring the ship back. Strange place, familiar force, the wind. So, Nolan, before you send me home, perhaps you should see where the journey began. Remember, every journey begins in Troy. With regards, Odysseus.